Hello and welcome to BigRep at Formnext. I'm very happy to be joined by one of our sales team, Sebastian Lange. So thank you for being with us. Just tell us a little bit about yourself and your role at BigRep.
Thank you, Redmond. Hey, my name is Sebastian Lange. I'm Director for Business Development in EMEA, and I'm quite happy to welcome you at Formnext.
So can you tell us a little bit about what BigRep offers its customers?
So BigRep is really a unique supplier in the FDM market. So we are offering a complete solution portfolio based on our 4 key pillars. So what does these 4 key pillars mean? So first of all, we are providing our great printers itself. Here we have a split in innovation line and industrial line. Then the second pillar, what we are offering, is our limitless material offer. The third one is our uniqueness 3D printing software suites. And the fourth one is our service.
And what return on investment can customers expect when they buy a BigRep printer?
ROI is a big word in our industries. For sure, everybody is searching for get the best out of the part what they are printed. So I would say BigRep is really unique in the TCO, the total cost of ownership, and the cost per part. So what does it mean? We are faster, we have the possibility to print with our limitless materials, very cost sensitive, and at the end of the day, the quality out of the printed parts results into a fast startup phase for the customer.
And what kind of industries do you serve?
We have a wide range of different industries what we are tackling today. So we started within our first startup phase with the architects and the designers. Now we developed our portfolio into much more focused into the industrial needs. So especially in Germany, for example, we are searching for the automotive industries, the tier 1 suppliers, and all the industries which is around. So try to engage us with new ideas and new projects. We're open for everything.
And finally, what is the future of additive manufacturing for you?
For me in person, I truly believe that we built something really uniqueness within our software platform, Connect and Flow. So based on this will have a huge impact for the additive manufacturing industry. I truly believe that we will notice a big change by the usage, how we step in contact with 3D printing technology and how we use 3D printing technology in the future. For example, if you're not really an expert in 3D printing, you will get the possibility to step into very easily and generate your own parts by yourself without having a deepest knowledge on 3D printing, CAD design or anything else.
So as you can see, BigRep offers quite a lot for customers. Come over to our booth today and maybe we can make a sale.